So here we have an Audi A3 with a 1.4 liter. And if you're looking to replace the starter motor or you're having issues with the solenoid, the starter motor is located right here. So you can see it's a pretty nice gap on the 1.4 liter. You've got the air cleaner, the engine cover, and then down in between you can see this shiny piece is actually the solenoid. This engages the starter motor. The starter motor is the darker, dirtier part right there. So once you hit the key, it basically pushes a plunger and makes a connection to have a higher amperage draw. So once you hit the key, this thing clicks and that thing turns on. So if you're having issues and it won't start, one good idea, the first step I would take if it's an emergency and you need to move the car or even you need to drive it to the mechanic, I would take something metal and I would hit that shiny piece right there. Just not super hard, but enough to knock it around. And a lot of times that solenoid will engage once it's rattled around a little bit. If it doesn't engage and it's more of a bigger issue, then it's probably a problem with the darker, dirtier piece there. The bushings will go bad and it'll get jammed up. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below. Otherwise, I want to show you the location. There's 2 bolts that hold it in, one on either side. You can see a big one there and another one's tucked up behind it. And then a couple cords on this side of the solenoid. So give you an idea where that is. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below. Otherwise, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.